So there has been a lot of buzz for a year and a half about this brand new resort, $4.3 billion new build.
This is Mike Lyons with Smart Meetings TV, and we're here at the Smart Meetings National 3-day experience at the gorgeous Hotel Del Coronado in San Diego, California. I'm standing here with Shelby Pywell. Everybody out there knows the Broadmoor in Colorado Springs as being one of the finest resorts in the United States. And tell us a little bit about all the latest things that are going on at the Broadmoor.
We just finished in March of 2020 our brand new Bartolin Hall, which is our new exhibit hall. It's 125,000 square feet,
Wow.
32 breakout rooms. So it's our big brand new addition. It's actually getting christened here in a couple weeks for our annual Space Symposium program. So we're really excited about this new addition for our team. Being the longest running 5-star 5-diamond really gives us that ability to shine.
I'm standing here with Cole Hankton, who is with Visit Walnut Creek here in beautiful California. Let's start right off for folks that don't know exactly where Walnut Creek is located.
Sure. So we're in Northern California. We're about 25 miles east of San Francisco. We're nestled right up against Mount Diablo. We're 40 minutes from Napa. We're on the beautiful 680 corridor, right in between beautiful wine country. Usually what I tell planners is if you've got that group that's anywhere between 50 to 150, 200 people, you can fit into any of our 3 properties very easily. And then we have a beautiful brand new Residence Inn, and we also have a lovely Holiday Inn Express. Walnut Creek is open. We're open safely and wonderfully. We're just welcoming everyone to come visit and enjoy that Calipolitan experience.
Fill us in, there's so much going on here, renovations-wise. Tell us about all the things that are happening.
It's been a long time coming with COVID and all the tough stuff that our industry's been through. So to see us reemerge at this point, and with all the things happening around the hotel, like, it's really exciting. So our ownership has committed to invest $450 million into the iconic Hotel Del Coronado. We are absolutely thrilled to welcome people back, show them everything that's new, from the new pools, like I said, the new outdoor event space, the new restaurants. There's something for everybody to do here at the Hotel Del.
And I'm standing here with Jessica Perkins, who is with Resorts World Las Vegas, which just opened up, Jessica.
So there has been a lot of buzz for a year and a half about this brand new resort, $4.3 billion new build. It used to sit on the land of the Stardust. It has 3,500 rooms, over 150,000 square foot of flexible meeting space, and we're doing things differently in Las Vegas. We also got rid of in-suite dining and did this wonderful app called On the Fly. So what you can do is order from any of our 40 restaurants and have it brought straight up to your room.
Wow.
And if you never want to leave your pool chair, we also have these wonderful boxes that you can scan a QR code and go pick up your food there instead of having it brought to your room. Just brought it right up to the pool deck for you.
For that, yeah.
We have a wonderful 24,000 square foot outdoor rooftop that overlooks the Las Vegas Strip. First in Las Vegas.
And I'm standing here with Susie Kay with Visit Santa Barbara. For those folks, Susie, that aren't familiar with Santa Barbara, so fill us in and tell us what you've been talking to some of the meeting professionals here about.
Great. Well, not that I'm partial to Santa Barbara, but it is beautiful. Some of our biggest things that have happened on the backside of this pandemic is Southwest Airlines came into our market April 12th. We've been begging them to come into market, so that really expanded our airlift into the market. We kind of call ourselves like a bowl of fruit. Whatever you want, we have. We've got everything from Rosewood to Hilton Santa Barbara, Ritz-Carltons to boutique hotels, glamping, Kimpton properties to Courtyards by Marriott. So I've got a little bit of everything. We're very proud of our newest residents in Santa Barbara in Montecito, Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. We kind of call them the gift that keeps giving because they're the best advertising for our destination that money could ever buy.
There you go. If they picked Santa Barbara, you know there's a reason, right?
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely.